Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called Vepi, V-E-P-I. This ransomware is actually from the DJVU ransomware family. The reason why it is called like that because it encrypts files and appends a special Vepi extension to the file names. As a result, it is just impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware actually encrypts files and adds this VEPI extension, and it then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is, of course, not a good idea, so you should not waste your money and you should not pay the ransom. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. As I said, you should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored even if you pay the ransom. So I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner Antivirus on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then once it gets installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start a Scan button. So most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of threats. Based on the summary of threats, you will be able to know their exact locations. You can upgrade to premium and you can request trial in order to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Now, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data possibly, even though Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect your data. So once again, remember that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It effectively removes this ransomware and protects your data.